Hello, my name is Islam. I am a full stack web developer with experience in Stack, API development and software solution. Today I am presenting my project Ride Booking System API, where rider can request ride, driver can accept and complete ride, and admin can manage the system. The project is built with Node.js, Express.js, MongoDB, and JWT based authentication for secure role-based access. Here is the folder structure of my project. SRC contained all application code. Modules is divided by features, user, write, auth. Utilities content helper like query builder, response handler, and error handler. Middlewares handle auth and validation. Config for environment variable and route are modular for users, rider, and admin action. This project uses JWT authentication with 3 roles: admin, rider, and driver. Passwords are securely hashed with bcrypt. User can register and log in. The system issues a JWT and based on the role, access in control for easy endpoint. For rider, they can request a ride by provided pickup and destination location. They can cancel rides before they are accepted. They can also view their ride history. For driver, they can view nearby ride request based on location, accept a ride and update status from pickup to in transit to complete. They can view their total earning and completed rides. Driver also have an availability. Driver also have an availability status that admin can approve and or suspend. For admin, they can view all users, driver and riders, approve or suspend driver, block or unblock user account. They can also generate report in the future. Now I will show a full flow: rider register and login, request a ride, driver login, view nearby ride and accept one, driver update ride status step by step until complete. Rider can then rate the driver and give feedback. Admin can view all rides and manage. Admin can view all ride and manage user and driver. This concluded my presentation of the ride booking system API. Is demonstrate a secure role-based and scalable backend for ride booking platform. All API endpoints are documented in Postman, and the project README included setup instruction and example C URL request for testing. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum.